What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. This video, as you can probably tell by the title and everything, is a really skin focused with a natural makeup look featuring Fenty Skin and Fenty Beauty. I'm really excited to put this video out for you guys because I really kind of break down what it really means to prep your skin before makeup, and then we create this really beautiful, flawless, just really lightweight, simple but fun makeup look. And I really can't wait to show you because I really love it, and I'm using, of course, all Fenty Beauty. It looks amazing. Every time I use Fenty Beauty products, my skin and everything just looks so amazing. But of course, with great makeup, you need to have great skin. So if you guys want to learn what it really means to have good skin prep before makeup, and then see, of course, how I create this look, then keep on watching. Let's get into this skin prep. The first thing, of course, you have to do is cleanse your skin. I'm going to be using my Fenty Skin Total Cleanser. This is a 2-in-1 cleanser, a makeup remover, and a cleanser, of course. I love this formula. It's so creamy, it's rich, it's thick, yet it's lightweight, and it doesn't strip the skin, which I absolutely love. But it doesn't make you feel oily or greasy either. It's just a really overall universal cleanser in my opinion. And right here I am doing a little bit of a facial massage, but this cleanser is my go-to cleanser out of all of my skincare. I absolutely love it. Now that I have rinsed my face and everything, I'm going to be moving into my fat water. This is a toner serum, again 2-in-1. Okay, Fenty Skin is known for simple yet effective, and I'm going to pat this into my skin. This product has so many great ingredients, and again, not stripping. It feels really hydrating, but yet it dries down pretty fast, so it's just, again, overall a really great product. And then we're gonna move into Hydro Visor. This is your moisturizer and SPF. If you don't do anything else, you need to be wearing your SPF. And I love that it doesn't make you look ashy, okay? There's no white cast or anything like that. It gives you this beautiful shine and glow, and it's really great under makeup. Like, this could be it could be really a 3-in-1, to be honest with you. Protect, moisturize, and prime, to me, okay? But I'm gonna actually add a little bit more of a primer, and this is the Hydrating Primer from Fenty Beauty. I just wanna add a little bit more of a glow and just a dew to my skin. And now I'm gonna be using Pro Filter Concealer to spot conceal all these problem areas, because no matter how great my routine is, I just deal with hormonal acne. So while that is sitting on my skin, I'm doing my eyebrows because I like to let my concealer sit and dry a bit. These eyebrows are on point though, right? Now I'm blending out this concealer. I like to let it sit and dry because I feel like it gives it more of a full coverage effect, if you will. So that's kind of my strategy with that. Moving on to my Pro Filter foundation, I wear the shade 290, and this is like my exact shade. I've never had a shade that is this close to my complexion, which I absolutely love. One thing about Fenty Beauty is they kill it in shade range, and I love this particular foundation because it's buildable, yet you can like keep it sheer if you want. So it's a really great like option for those who just want a full coverage look, or sometimes a light coverage look. Moving on to concealer, we're using Bright Fix. This is so freaking good, and I'm actually gonna mix it with my Pro Filter Concealer. Okay, this is a great duo. But Bright Fix, as you can tell by the name, brightens my under eye, as you can see, and then my Pro Filter really adds that coverage and kind of just balances the brightness so it's not overpowering my face. But it's definitely getting rid of those bags, girl, okay? These bags is not designer. We don't want them. Moving on to my cream bronzer. If you guys have seen my videos, you've watched my reviews, you know how much I love the cream bronzer from Fenty Beauty. It's absolutely amazing. The shade is Honey Glaze, and this is definitely giving some warmth. It's bringing definitely some life into the skin, which I definitely needed, because sometimes with the foundation and the concealer, it can really dry me out. Next is Cream Blush. This is in Daiquiri Dip. It's just like ready with a little bit of like pink undertones, and I just love it because it really brings so much life to the face. It really just gives you this youthful look. Like, as you can see as I'm applying it, it just really brought in the youth. It's just so nice. I love it, and the formula is amazing. And I'm gonna set everything with the Pro Filter setting powder. This is in the shade Butter, okay, translucent, and you can pack this on and get that really nice mattifying coverage look, or you can do what I'm doing and just do a light dusting to keep it really lightweight. And then we use our fly liner pencil and our full frontal mascara to get this eye look. But we're not gonna focus on eyes. We're gonna go into highlighter. This is my Kilowatt, okay? Hustler Baby and Me Money, okay? And to really finish off this look, I'm gonna be using my Slip Shine and Make Out Break. This look is just to die for, and it's so lightweight. I absolutely love it. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I absolutely love it. Every time I use Fenty Beauty, it always works for me. It always works for me, and that's why I love the brand so much. And of course, making sure that your skin is on point, making sure you do your skincare routine. It doesn't have to be extra. It doesn't have to be 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 steps. You can do something as simple and as effective as using our Fenty Skin line to really prep the skin for makeup. And as you guys can see, okay, my lens is not lying, okay? It looks amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys check out Fenty Skin, of course, the starter set. OG classic. It is the fundamental basic set that you need for a great skincare routine. And of course, check out Fenty Beauty and all the products that I use today. Make sure you guys like, make sure you guys comment down below. Of course, check out both brands. You know, make sure you do what you're supposed to do on my side too. Subscribe. That's just what you need to do. And I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so, so much.